Hi, this is Maria with the Freight Broker Agent School. Um, we have an online class that teaches you to understand what an agent does, what a broker does, so you can decide which one you really want to go on to pursue after the class. You learn how to fill out your paperwork, the do's and don'ts, procedures, how to use the load boards, where to find shippers, where to find carriers, everything to get started. I personally recommend that you start off as an agent because you have a mentor and you have somebody that you get to learn how this works before you go invest money into being a full broker. You can switch over to being a broker at any time. All it is licensing, okay, and getting your bond or trust. Now I have people call me all the time asking questions about what it takes. All right, well, there's a couple things I want to tell you that a lot of people don't tell you. One is make sure that you set up at least an LLC, a limited liability corporation, okay, to start your company. You can do an S corp, but you can switch over being S corp anytime. Once you start making money, and then you can pay that extra to do that. But you can start off as a limited liability corporation, and you want to do that because you get to write off everything. Okay, you get to write off your computers, your cell phones, your internet. So yeah, it's wise to do that right away. We do offer the service of doing Georgia's L.L.Cs for a fee if you need help with that, or you can go do it yourself at the Secretary of State's office. But we also do the EIN, we do the operating agreement, and that's all part of a package. Now, when you go do your LLC, guys, make sure you reserve your domain name at the same time you're doing your LLC. What a domain name is, it's a way to protect your name on the internet so nobody else can have your company website name, okay? Now, I explain more of this in class, but if you're going to do it ahead of time, like I use HostGator.com. Okay, that's like $12.95 a year for a domain name. You do not have to have a website yet, but if you start off as an agent or want to be a broker, you're going to want a website for your company. That domain protects that name. That is your name on the internet. Just like we're freightbrokeragentschool.com, whatever your company is, .com. Nobody else can reserve that name if you reserve it. It's yours. So down the road, if you go, whether right away or down the road you want to become a broker, that name is reserved for you. Okay? Just make sure you do it at the same time you're setting up your corporation, your LLC, your S Corp, whatever you choose. Okay? What else can I tell you that really helps? Don't put the word trucking in your company name. I don't know if you care if you have trucks or you're a broker. Don't put trucking because it's harder to get loans. Okay, that's something they don't tell people either. I have a lot of tidbits that I share in class. And if you don't believe me, go to our blog on our website. And I have references all the way back to 2000. I will tell you, and I'm really straightforward, I have been training since 2000. I have been in this since I was 28 years old, okay? Around it, my brother drove truck, old 10 yards. And what I tell everybody is what you put into this is what you're going to get out of it. It's not an overnight get-rich scheme. It's not. You have to work at it like anything else starting up a new business, okay? I have been training for 23 years now. I've had some people that are doing very well. After one of my students, about a little over 2 years ago, sold his company for 7 figures, and I trained him about 11 years so ago. So yeah, there are some people who have done excellent in this. This is for them. That's why I always tell everybody it's best to start off as an agent because you don't even know if you like this yet or not. Plus, before you go invest the money into becoming a broker for the license and the bond and all that, you get a feel of how it works and you start understanding it. And some people, I've had people come to me go, I want to be a broker. And the next thing I know, I explain how this works. And they go, you know what? This is a great broker you referred me to. I'm going to stay as an agent. I'm making good money without the headaches. So that's when I tell you I'm going to explain the do's, the don'ts, what to watch out for, how to fill out your paperwork, how to use the load boards, negotiations. You just cannot be scared to do it. You cannot be scared to talk to people. If you're scared to learn something new and talk to people, don't even bother with this. That's straight up. Okay? And you will find real quick if you take my class. I call it like it is. And you can see what people have to say about me in my class, okay? So if you're interested, go to our website, www.freightbrokeragentschool, or call us at 888-222-0829. If I'm in class or on the other line with a student, please make sure you leave your name, your phone number, and I will do my best to get back to you as soon as possible. All right, well, you guys have a blessed day, and I will talk to you again. Bye.